Right, m 2 minus 4, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 0. Without using the calculator, show that m is non-singular. Okay, so what I've got to do is I have to work out the determinant, and it's non-singular if my determinant is not 0, and it's singular if it equals to 0. And my determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is a little bit confusing, but I know it's going to be 1, and I ignore the row and column. Just give me 1, 3, 3, 0. And next one's minus, it's going to be my 2. And again, I'll ignore my rows and my column to make it 2, 3, minus 1, and 0. And then I ignore my negative 4. And that's going to be this one here, it's a bit easy to see. 2, 1, minus 1, 3. Now, okay, now I have to do is to work out the determinant of each individual ones here. This can be 1 times, that's my diagonal here, which is 1 times 0, which is 0, minus these two, which is 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 2. My diagonals here is 2 times 0, which is 0 again, minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. That's plus and minus, so minus 4. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, because of minus 1 times 1 is 1, minus them. So here, the brackets here equal 9, so it's 1 times 9, which is minus 9. That one there, which is, and I forgot how much I'm minus in, so this actually changes to a plus, so it's 2 times 3, which is actually minus 6. This one here is 7, so it's minus 4 times 7, which is 1428. If I do it on my calculator, just because I'm getting tired, minus 9 to minus 6, minus 28, which is minus 43. If I actually remind myself of the question, it says show that m is non-singular, and I've done that. We're working out the determinant is minus 43. Okay, so I've got this matrix here of 1, 2, minus 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 0. I've got, without using a calculator, I'll find m minus 1. We found out from the previous question that my determinant is minus 43. It's just always a little bit easier to remember that you can just type this into your calculator and press equals. So I'm looking for this horrendous answer. But let's do it without the calculator, just as it actually asked me to do. Right, so first thing I'll do is got to find the matrix of minors. Okay, so first one is a 1, 3, 3, 0. I'm ignoring these two, which makes it 2, 3, minus 1, 0. Then that one there is going to be 2, 1, minus 1, 3. Get one rows down. It's this one here. So it's those ones and those ones. So it's 2, minus 4, 3, and 0. And then that one is in the centre. Oh, that's confusing. Which is 1, minus 4, minus 1, and 0. And my last one here, which is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. And my bottom one, that one, a little bit easier for me to see. 2, minus 4, 1, 3. That one there is 1, minus 4, 2, 3. And my last one is 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now I've got to find the determinant of all of these. I'll do it here. 1 times 0 is 0, 3 times 3 is 9. Sorry, minus in, so it's minus 9. Here, 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, but remember we're subtracting it, so actually mine's as a positive 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, but I'm subtracting it, so it's 6 plus 1, which is 7. Let's move down to 2 times 0 is 0. And we're subtracting 3 times minus 4, which is minus 12. Remember, we're subtracting it, which actually makes it a 12. 1 times 0 is 0. Minus 4 times 1 is a positive 4, but remember, we're subtracting it, so it goes back to minus 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, but remember, minusing, so adding them, so it makes it 5. 2 times 3 is 6. And I've got to do 1 times minus 4 is minus, but remember, we have to subtract them, so minus becomes plus, so it's 6 plus 4, which is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, but again, we're minusing that, so it makes 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So it's just 1 minus 4, which makes it minus 3. Okay, I've just rewritten this just because my working out is getting a bit messy. I need to print around my signs. It goes minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So I might need to change some of these signs around. That stays the same. This one changes to a minus. That stays the same. this changes to a minus, that stays the same, changes to a minus, that stays the same, this changes to a minus, that stays the same. Now all I have to do is, I need to transpose this, so essentially I've just got to like reflect. So I'm going to start with the ones that are on the line. So I've got minus 9, minus 4, minus 3, stay where they are. These two swap, so this becomes minus 5, that becomes minus 11. These two swap, so this becomes 7, that becomes 10, and my 3 and my minus 12, so this is minus 3, that is minus 12. And I'm not totally done yet, because I've put this 1 over the determinant, and I've forgotten what the determinant is, so let me check, which is 1 over 43. And I could multiply all of these over by 1 by 43, but I just don't want to.